Welcome to the project of location based vehicle speed controlling system. So the main application of this project is whenever the vehicle entering into the school zone or hospital zone or any safety zone, then we need to control the vehicle speed. So for that, generally we are placing the speed breakers, and instead of that we are going to placing the RF receivers in the vehicle to find the location, and the transmitter will placed at the locations. It will transmit the signals, and this signal will be transmitted up to 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer based on the antenna power provided for this one. And whenever the vehicle entering into this region, the receiver will receive the signal and it will decode the information and give to the PIC microcontroller. Based on the signal, it is going to control the vehicle speed by controlling the DC motor speed from the MOSFET driver, so which is placed underneath. And there we are going to use two batteries, one for the motherboard and another for the DC motor driver, and another battery for transmitter section. So when we connect that, it will give the signal and it will be decoded, and we are using PIC16F72 microcontroller, and this is a 28 pin microcontroller. Once we provided the 9 volts power supply, from this regulator we are going to regulate the voltage to 5 volts DC, and it was given to the PIC microcontroller. And coming to this reset switch with 10k pull up resistor, and this LED is with 330 ohm current limiting resistor for power relay indication, and this green light is same 330 ohm current limiting resistor for programming LED indication. Whenever the vehicle under this RF region or else particular region, then automatically the light will be indicating as we are in that region, and parallelly microcontroller will regulate the speed of this DC motor. And now initially, so when we switch on this switch, and we need to connect the so as I connected the DC motor power supply and I switched on this. So initially the light will be on 2 times, and now the vehicle is moving at a rate of speed, and when we are giving power supply, nothing but the RF region is signal transmitted. So there is a light indication, as well as you can observe the speed of this motor will be reduced, and it is received remote constant speed. It will be controlled. Right, so this section will be achieved by the PWM concept. As we know that PWM is a pulse width modulation, and based on this on time controlling and off time controlling, we are going to regulate the output voltage to the DC motor. Okay, thank you for watching demo.